So this is the masked off area, so anything below the green tape is what's going to be what's going to have the Raptor coat applied to it. It's all the way around. And now I'm going to mix up the Raptor coat, which is this product here, and I'm just going to roller it on with a roller which also came from Raptor. So this is over half the trailer done, and all it is you mix it up in the bottle. Everything's pre-measured, and then you roll it on. It suggests to get the best effect you need 2 coats, and this bottle pack will cover 2 coats at 4 square meters. So we should be okay with just the 1 bottle for this whole trailer bed. The sides aren't truly necessary. It's more getting it into the nooks and crannies that was important for me. So I'll continue to apply this. As you can see, it's really easy, and I'll update you when it's all done. So this is 1 coat applied. They say for best coverage you need 2 coats. So you'll see that some of the red oxide primer is still showing through, but between coats you have to wait 2 hours. So I thought I'd leave this out in the sun to dry and then come back in 2 hours time and do a 2nd coat. But as you can see, it's gone down really well. It is indeed a very simple product to apply, which makes a change. So this is after 2 coats and the masking tape removed. It won't be left like this. The beauty of the coating is that once it's fully cured, not only is it really hard wearing, because it's got no rubber in it, you can sand it down and put a top coat over the top, which will obviously be the olive drab colour that the rest of the trailer is going to be painted in. So I have now a lot harder wearing surface than if I just painted it with normal red oxide primer. But yeah, really easy product to apply. Highly recommend it. We'll see how hard wearing it is. If you've enjoyed the content, please like, share, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you later. This is Gunner, Roger, okay with you.